Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a glider in Minecraft. First, understand that gliders refer to elytra, a rare item enabling flight. These special wings are not crafted but found in the game's end dimension. Once acquired, they offer incredible mobility, letting you soar over mountains and oceans. We will cover finding, using, and maintaining your elytra for endless aerial adventures. To get your glider, you first need to defeat the Ender Dragon and enter the End Dimension. Once there, search for floating structures called End Cities. Many End Cities include a unique airship docked nearby. Inside this airship, you will discover the elytra displayed in an item frame. Be prepared for shulker enemies guarding these valuable treasures. Once you have the elytra, equip them in your chestplate armor slot. To begin gliding, jump off a high place and press the jump key a second time while in midair. You will then start to glide. For faster travel and upward momentum, hold a firework rocket in your hand and use it while flying. This propels you forward with impressive speed. Keeping your elytra in good condition is crucial. You can repair them using phantom membranes on an anvil. Each phantom membrane restores 108 durability points, making them quite efficient. Alternatively, apply the mending enchantment to your elytra. This enchantment automatically repairs your wings using experience points you collect, offering a sustainable repair solution as you play.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.